Hey guys, so we're back again, and in this short video, I'm going to explain some of the sneaky rational numbers that you might think are in one category, but can probably be in a different category. So you won't see them too often, but it's important that I show them to you just in case you see them on a test or on the STAR exam or something like that. So we talked about the different kinds of numbers. I don't know. Okay, so in rational numbers, we discussed how they could be decimals or fractions. So we can't just assume that as soon as I see a fraction that is only a rational number. For example, if I have the fraction 10 over 5, I can actually put that in all of the categories, because when I simplify 10 over 5, I get 2. So 10 over 5, even though it's a fraction, could be with the counting numbers, it could be with the integers, it could be with the whole numbers. 1/3, if you change that to a decimal, it would be a repeating decimal. That's one of the ones on your memorize this page. Now, if you have a fraction and you change it to a decimal and it repeats with a pattern, it's still a rational number. But if you have a fraction, now that looks like a rational number, looks innocent enough. But if I divide the bottom into the top and change it to a decimal, it's going to be 2. I have this written down because I can't remember this. And it keeps going and going and going and going forever and ever and ever. So this is actually not a rational number. So we're not going to sneak those in. I don't think you'll see much of that this year, but you could. And so we can't just assume that all fractions are rational numbers, because sometimes they're going to be rational numbers that are also whole numbers or integers or counting numbers. Or maybe it's not like 2 over 7. It goes on and on and on forever. Those are actually the irrational numbers, and you'll learn about those next year. And you'll have a calculator next year so that you can find those and see those quite quickly and easily. The other thing that we didn't really talk about was, say is a percent. Well, if you change a percent to a decimal, you learned this just yesterday or 2 days ago, that would be 0.3. So it is also a rational number. Pretty much all your percents are going to be rational numbers. I think I covered it all. I hope you got something out of that. I will see you later. Bye-bye.